I am in Mexico on vacation, so please come with me while I take a cooking class on making guacamole. We're going to start with using about 15 avocados. We got a big group, but these are the rest of the ingredients that he's going to use. You're going to start by cutting your avocados in half. You want to make sure they're nice and ripe. Scrape out the inside of the avocado, throw it in a bowl. Then you're going to want to mash the avocado up. For 15 avocados, he used an entire sliced onion and then about 15 sliced tomatoes. And then we're going to use some cilantro. Add as much as you like. I like a lot of cilantro. And then he only used 3 serrano peppers because he's cooking for gringos. And then he used about 8 limes. I like a lot of lime juice. And then he added some salt. And this is the lime juice going in. Mix all of your ingredients together and season to taste if you need. But this is how to make Mexican guacamole. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and follow for more. Thanks.